God. I live here.
Cellar. I think it was destroyed by fire.
Was it?
Yeah, I believe so. Because it was all third rail.
Yeah.
All third rail side contact, wasn't it? And he had loads of, well, he did have Graham Farrow stuff running around on a rake of Pullmans and Warmby DMUs and things like that. He wasn't the most communicative.
No.
Didn't really know very much. Because I don't know what model shops there are around Bournemouth now. There used to be one in Horton House Road, didn't there?
That went a long time
Was
ago.
that
Because that was the
one by a bloke called Derek?
that was the bookshop there, wasn't it? They had the bookshop and the model shop together.
Motor books.
Yes, in the side road, and the old vic next to the pub.
Yes,
The pub used to do very good lunches, probably still does.
Yeah.
I've got no reason to go down there. No motor books aren't there anymore.
No, they were in. I thought they were in Cecil Court in Leicester Square at one time.
Right, yeah.
And I think what they did, there was two shops,
Yeah.
and then they modernised, and then they went to one shop, and then they packed up. Because they were in Oxford, weren't they?
Yes.
On the outskirts of Oxford. I went there once. And then I think the business failed, and then they...
46. Yeah, that's 46. Wait, no, 47. Gonna get the 47 out now.
Do you mind if I take a picture? No. That's quite effective.
Yeah, both 37s in there. Do that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They look nice, don't they?
You don't get these problems on the outline.
No, it's always better to down line stuff, the big obvious. Yeah.
I think there's one coming.
Here comes Jane.
Turn you round. Turn you round and then you can see. You stand up.
You remember seeing Andy built Westwood? Originally, not the 25 mile restriction on the entire line. 15 miles.
I can see my own here.
You can probably see this one.
No, I'll hold it for a bit. I found it.
I just said, as I said, a lot of these buildings were built for work too. I worked in the drawing office. I was holding that water tank together in the floor and the boss walked through. I said, yeah, fine. I said, I've just got arm ache. Just sat there, holding this together. Well, it was cheap meat. Yeah, it was wild rabbits.
But it wasn't the freight that we picked up.
It was, there were enough from North Devon come through that there was enough for a couple of wagon loads every day.
Every day?
Yeah. And they'd hang them, kill two, bind their back feet together, hang them on a hook.
Yeah.
Whilst load them in crates. And some Langdon's transport around.
Yeah.
Langdon's, Bessie Langdon, in the late 20s to the 30s, started transporting eggs to Taunton by the train from the farm. And then she moved into with rabbits as well. And from that came a company called Taunton Meat Haulage. Put on the train. That's at the origins of Langdon's Transport Company. There's been some up and downs, and like always.
Not just refiners, it was a commodity they used to move, like, you know. And flowers as well.
Don't know about flowers up this way. That was more than south, down the south one. First World War.
The formation of this train is taken from a photograph. Absolutely from a photograph. There's a couple of pictures actually in the Middleton Press Book on the line. And yeah, 12-ton van, Southern KMV, Gov, B set and on a collar.
That would stay then at Barnstable for the night or something like that.
9 each way, 9 scheduled each way during the week, and none on Sundays.
Why didn't they already make us come back for these?
There were 1,600 Barnstable Taunton in return for a 7-local crew for remuneration. Monday to Friday was an end, Saturday was a team. That's my excuse for running Southern stuff.
Won't be this weekend. We'll try to do better.
Oh yeah, it's down there. It's got DCC out, so I'll put that on. Thank you.
What did you do wrong to get the door?
Oh, yeah.
What track is that?
I think it's
Same thing.
I'm not sure if it's Pico. I'm honestly not sure.
No. that's how I got it from, but there's a contract. Yeah, I had there's a couple of
Now you know, now you know. We're fighting the life out of it. You can double it stuff.
Yeah,
We thought we'll have that. We can build a layout in that. So
what, the
coffee table. She was going to throw it away.
Oh, right. You made a good use of it then?
Yeah.
It works nicely like this. What are these buttons for?
I don't know.
Oh, that's like the switches that we have in ours. I reckon they probably do the same thing.